Hello guys, welcome to WrestleYard. So today in this video we'll discuss some top biggest moment of Survivor Series. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe it. And let's get started. So at Survivor Series 2015, Roman Reigns defeated Dean Ambrose for the vacant WWE Championship. And just after that, Triple H comes in to congratulate Roman Reigns, but Roman Reigns spears Triple H. And after that, Sheamus cashes in his Money in the Bank contract and then hit Roman Reigns with a bro kick. But at the first time, Roman Reigns kicks out of that. And then Sheamus hit Roman Reigns with a second bro kick, and then finally Sheamus becomes the new WWE Champion. So at that night, we crowned two new WWE Champions. So WWE started building this feud between The Rock and John Cena on Raw after WrestleMania 27. And I think this match created one of the biggest hype in recent years, because two of the biggest WWE superstars face each other on the grandest stage, that is WrestleMania. But at Survivor Series 2011, John Cena and The Rock team up to face The Miz and R-Truth. So basically at the end, The Rock hit The Miz with the People's Elbow to get a win for his team. And after that, Rock hits John Cena with the rock bottom, and The Rock stood tall on that night. So Brock Lesnar faced The Big Show at Survivor Series 2002, and there was a moment where Brock Lesnar hit The Big Show with F5, and referee was about to count 3, but Paul Heyman drags the referee outside the ring and attack him. And at that point, everyone was shocked, including Brock Lesnar. So this was a shocking moment for Brock Lesnar and for WWE Universe. So Goldberg returned on Raw 2016 after 12 long years, and he challenged Brock Lesnar for a match. So this return of Goldberg was considered as one of the biggest return in WWE, because it helped WWE for tickets as well as for merchandise till WrestleMania 33. And talking about the match, Goldberg absolutely destroyed Brock Lesnar under 2 minutes. So again, this considered as one of the most shocking moments in the history of Survivor Series. So it was Survivor Series 2014 where Team Cena faced against Team Authority in a classic elimination match. So there were many big moments in this match, especially Big Show turn against Team Cena. Also we saw the spectacular performance of Dolph Ziggler. But at the end, Triple H attacked the referee and Dolph Ziggler. But suddenly the screen got dark and we saw the return of Sting, first time in WWE. And he stood face to face with Triple H and hit him with a Scorpion Deathlock, and helped Dolph Ziggler and Team Cena to get a win. So that was one of the best moments in the history of Survivor Series. So Undertaker returned at Survivor Series 2020, and he said that his days in the wrestling are over and Undertaker is rest in peace. So that was an emotional moment for all WWE fans all around the world. So these are some top moments that happened at Survivor Series. Comment down your top moments below. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to WrestleYard.